viewers. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, bottle Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. So friends, let's start the video. So friends, looking for a simple and beautiful Christmas decoration ideas, let's make this bottle centerpiece. Take any old glass bottles, clean and dry them. Now warp them with colors: full yarn, red for Santa, white for a snowman, and maybe blue for a forest winter touch. Add a cute button, bow and snowflakes for decoration. You can even use a ribbon or tiny bells to make them spark. Place them on your dining table or mantel and you go a cozy handmade Christmas centerpiece. Viewers, and that everyone we love. It's easy, creative, and full of holiday fun. And viewers, holiday bottle magic. Warp them in colorful and thread white or green and turn them into Christmas magic. Add buttons, ribbon, and tiny snowflakes for that festive spark. Simple, stylish, and made with love. The perfect done centerpiece for your table this Christmas. Viewers, warm winter glow. Add warmth to your home this winter with this handmade bottle centerpiece. Each one tell a story. Santa joy, snowman smile, and the claim video of winter. Place candles or fairy lights and watch the glow comes alive. Simple crafts, beautiful. In fact, cozy Christmas crafts. Craft time, just festive craft. Some yarn, glue, and buttons, and turn old bottles into Christmas magic. Red for Santa, white for snow, blue for winter dream. So easy to make it, so full of joy, perfect for your holiday table or a cozy corner. Viewers, so viewers, hello, please thanks for watching my channel. And viewers, thanks